Welcome back to another book cover review. Today we're taking a look at Everybody Grills from Char-Broil. 200 prize-worthy recipes to put sizzle on your grill. And this is actually kind of a compilation cookbook. And here on the front cover, we can see here some stock photography, as well as some publication awards at the top and grocery sticker at the time. This is from Creative Homeowner. They have a actually large variety of other titles. You can see the logo there. On the back cover, you can see this is kind of categorized as cooking, methods, barbecue, and grilling. More pricing information, stock photography, and a little bit of description there. Contact information and a barcode. And if we look quickly at the inside back cover, we can see here's just some of the other titles in the series. Jumping to the front, you see your title page, more photography with a more detailed title page. And then the publication information. This is from 2008, Creative Homeowner. So this has been reprinted many times. Here's an acknowledgments page, and then our contents. So again, if we jump back to the back section, you can see here the index covers several pages. So the last numbered page is 303, with this page 304. There's your index. Here are some resources and other guide information. Then you can see here, edgewise, you have color codings on the various categories of recipes as well. The recipes, lots of stock photography. Of course, all within this kind of char-broil format, I guess. But again, Everybody Grills from Char-Broil is part of the Creative Homeowner series. This has been another book cover review. Feel free to check out other book review media reviews on the channel. We also do unboxing videos as well as show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. And we also do a series called Curios for the Curious, videos of more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.